What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porous Unboxings, as you know. And today is Q&A day, right after SmackDown, like always. So first question is from my friend Michael. What are your recent pickups? Well, here they are. I gotta get one of them. And of course, it's over here. Goodness me. Alright, my recent pickups are 4 pickups, actually. Let's go with the first 2 that I got a couple days ago that I didn't put on my Q&A last week. Survivor Series 2017. Goldberg. Charlotte. And Survivor Series 2018. Brock and Bryan. And what's weird about this, guys, is I got a Roman Reigns card from 2015, and it's supposed to come with a Kurt Angle card, so that's cool. Let's put this back. As you guys know, I got The Undertaker Last Ride. I made a video about it, and it still smells brand new. And that is purple, Last Ride. It comes with a comic book, a mini comic book, which I am gonna get probably a little later, but disc 1, disc 2, and guys, the last pickup will be an unboxing, maybe put out tomorrow, so look out for that. But if you guys don't see it before this video, I got the Great American Bash for $10 on eBay. $10 for this. I will review it, and got this brand new. I'm opening it with one hand, so of course. Disc is clean, and insert. Yeah, so Great American Bash 2008. And this will be a review very soon. I just have to watch all the matches on it. I am still on disc 1 since I keep forgetting to watch it. And I will be talking about this in a video today, actually, so we'll keep that to the side right now. But yeah, those 4 pickups are what I got. So let's move on to the next question. Well, actually, the first question is from Wrestling DVD Central. Who do you think, if The Undertaker comes back at WrestleMania, comes back for one more match, who do you think is going to be his opponent? So let's say he retires for good, but Vince needs him like real bad for like a Mania or a Royal Rumble match. Well, as you know, I have that. Can I just... Wait a minute. I can't do that? As you know, I have this poster. Oh, shit. Well, that happened. This right here. My most prized possession besides, and I also have this. Stay. Good. But hey, this is my video. So you already faced against Daniel Bryan, AJ Styles, Edge a bunch of times. We just need that one match in the bag versus Sting. We just need that one match. You know we aren't gonna watch that match from WCW. Just have it in WWE. It was supposed to be at WrestleMania 30. It was supposed to be at WrestleMania 31. Bray Wyatt was supposed to win at WrestleMania 30 against Taker. But no, Brock had to take it. No, I always think Brock versus John Cena at WrestleMania 30 and Bray Wyatt versus Undertaker, and Bray beats him, wins the streak, wins the WWE wins the World Heavyweight Championship at SummerSlam. So Bray Wyatt rides the Brock train to victory, and Wyatt is on top of the world without Brock Lesnar. So it's either going to be The Fiend again or Sting. So if Vince needs him for something. Oh yeah. And he also said what will be the DVD the DVD cover. I think it will be exactly like the cover 5 years ago for the Undertaker's 25th anniversary at Survivor Series. Or it could be like this, but with 30 written in the background in purple. Just write 30. 30th anniversary, and then the Undertaker with a different stance. And that would be a good cover. Like, and put a match listing. I mean, God. WWE biggest fan 90. Oh yeah, so thanks for the questions. Wrestling Duty Central. WWE biggest fan 97 asked a question today. Two actually. What was your favorite Undertaker match and moment? Man, there's a lot. 2005, Biker Taker. My favorite moment is when he threw Mankind off the cell. WrestleMania 25. Yeah. My two favorite moments are WrestleMania 25 match, 26 match, and if I had to pick a third one, 2012. But no, like Biker Taker, 2002 versus Brock Lesnar. 2015 Brock Lesnar. I mean Undertaker when he came back, dude. Okay, so only one person or two people know this. WWE biggest fan 97. I saw Undertaker live in person. Not many people know that. I saw him at Battleground 2015. I can say I was there. And also my friend saw Sting at the 2014 Survivor Series. His name is Michael, or as we call him on here, Big Mike. Shout out. Oh God. Oh yeah. How do you guys like my haircut today? I got my haircut so I don't have to wear my hat, which is right there. That's a piece of paper. I don't give a care. Well, as you know, why I haven't been uploading in a few days. I think it's been like a day or 3 days. I just uploaded a video on today is Friday, so I uploaded on tonight before I made this video. I made the McMahon DVD review, but why I haven't been uploading is because my favorite show, Supernatural, ended a couple days ago. Or Supernatural ended last night, so I'm pretty upset. That show's been running for 15 seasons. And guys, I can show you like my haul, like here. I'll do it. I think I'm getting more on my birth. I think I'm getting more for Christmas, but for right now, Supernatural, the Ultimate Guide. This is the 2017 version of it. Yeah. 2017, October. And it comes complete with all 12 seasons inside every single episode. The Entertainment Weekly magazine. Let's see. The Ultimate Guide to Supernatural. The updated version from 2020. All 15 seasons inside the greatest episodes. The TV guide. Supernatural from 2019. Oh man, I miss this show so much. The TV guide from 2018, I think. Yeah, 2018. And the Supernatural guide from 2020 I just picked up about probably 3 weeks ago. Yeah, guys. So if you guys haven't seen me recording much, is because of the show ending a couple days ago. So, well, again last night. Actually, I have two shirts, but I won't show the other one because it's not here right now. But Supernatural, Join the Hunt. Yeah. So, again, I'm sorry for not uploading, but whatever, we're past that now. I will start uploading more. I have some videos I just filmed the other night, or 2 nights ago. So, going back to the biggest fan 97, or WWE biggest fan 97. What are you most excited for Survivor Series? Well, I just want to see I don't want to see it happen, but I'm excited for the Undertaker retirement speech. And if he goes into the Hall of Fame, because we still haven't had the 2020 Hall of Fame yet. So maybe next year we will have the Undertaker just be the #1 entrant inside the Hall of Fame, and that's it. I mean, yeah, but and my friend Marcos also said, who are you going for throughout the whole night? I mean, we've had Raw win the past 2 years, 2017 and 2018. But we had NXT win last year, but NXT is nowhere to be found. Yeah, so I mean, Raw's Survivor Series team is stupid. So for the Survivor Series team, I'm going SmackDown. For the rest of the matches, probably Raw. I don't know. I'm 50-50. But I like SmackDown show better than Raw, so I'm going on. I mean, I'm not really 50-50, so I have to say SmackDown. I mean, SmackDown's where it's at. Raw is just a big pile of crap. Yeah. So, SmackDown. MarkBoy316 says, do you think Undertaker will have one more match? Hopefully. And against who? Sting or The Fiend? Who do you think will win the 2021 Royal Rumble? The Rock. And he will face Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 37 in Hollywood. And I got another question from Gregory Kramer. What do you think of the Undertaker Last Ride DVD so far? Well, Greg, it's only the 5, because it's only the 5 doc series, but we do get special features on disc 2, and I haven't seen those yet. So, well, I mean, having the physical copy is always better. So, and fun fact, I even asked WWE DVD Network or Wrestling DVD Network on Twitter a couple months ago. Will we see The Undertaker Last Ride on DVD? And they said maybe. And boys or girls, we got our answer because it's right here. And the wider release comes out December 15th. So thank the God for Walmart. Thank you, God, for Walmart. Because we love the Taker. And if you don't like Taker, then you don't like wrestling. So that's all I have to say about that. Yeah, but there are special features on here. You get the comic book, although we all wish we were in the UK because we could have got an Undertaker autograph, which on eBay is like $300 right now. But if you got it in the UK, it all costs $80. Oh, and again, this could have been a 5-disc set with matches or something, but there are no matches. Just Wonder Brothers screwed that up. But I do like the discs. The Undertaker cover art, the slip cover, love it. So that was a great buy by me. $15 at Walmart. And I think that was my last question. And I think it's time to get out of here while I watch Criminal Minds. And I'll see you guys in the next review or next Friday. Peace out. And guys, if you haven't tried Q&As, just try it. I mean, it's easy. All you have to do is ask for questions in the comments below. And there you go. You have a Q&A segment. And I have one every Friday. So you get to learn about our YouTube lifestyle. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.